I will explain the procedure of disassembly and assembly and spray test for the maintenance of fuel injection valve performed at around every 1,500 to 2,000 hours. Use the exclusive tools to draw out the fuel injection valve from the cylinder head. Be sure to make checks and preparations before the maintenance. It starts from removing the clamp bolts of the injection pipe joint. Loosen the cap nut of the injection pipe and remove it together with the injection pipe. Then, remove the tightening nuts of the fuel injection valve. Attach the draw-out tool body by screwing it into the fuel injection valve bridge. Screw in the nut and draw out the fuel injection valve. Do not fail to draw out the case nut packing. After removing the fuel injection valve from cylinder head, clean the internal face of the injection valve sleeve in the cylinder head. Insert a nylon brush into the inside of the sleeve and turn it by hand while moving it up and down. Finally, put a spotlight on the cleaned area to check if it is spotless.